Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and it makes me kind of proud. Somebody's trying to follow along on one of my 3D videos, and this is a 3D engraving that would engrave, and it looks like a circle or a rounded figure. But for the life of him, and that's the exact words, he can't figure out how to rotate it because he says his rotation skew is gone. Well, if you just check and you have a square, there's your rotation. So that's telling you that there's something wrong here. And what the problem is, it is a big time contour. So just go to and break the contour apart. Look at that. And you can even now group this together and you still got a rotation. So if he wanted to double that, Control D and rotate it 90 degrees, he's got a rotation. So you cannot rotate a contour. Let's just try that on a basic box. Let's go to Object, Effects, Contour, and let's just contour to the inside 0.5 4 times. Well, it's evidently too big. 1 time. Trying to figure out. Oh, I'm using his program and he's got it set on white, so it was contouring. So what we need to do, first of all, if you're going to contour, you need to make that black. Let's do this, make that black and make it something other than a hairline. I draw everything in hairline, but contours really work better. And then we're going to contour the one side, half of it. Okay, let's go 0.1. I'm just trying to prove a point here. And the rotation's gone, just like here. And this kind of tells you that there's something different. But if we select all this and break the contour apart, as soon as we do that, Control D and make a duplicate, and let's rotate it 22.5 degrees. So you cannot rotate something that's well, I guess you can. Let's just back up here. Back up one more space so it's not a contour. You could contour it manually, but you don't have any index. Anyway, hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.